All right, so we're in Dubai. We're almost at the end of the Expo 2020. My question is around the Smart City app. What were some of the most useful insights that you provide the operation team?
So if you look at the Expo Smart City app, the purpose of this app was to provide the insights to a wide variety of stakeholders. I think the sustainability team is getting a lot more value out of this application if you look at, right? It provides not only the energy, water, waste and all those topics, but it also talks about the asset performance and a lot of KPIs which are configured. So I think it's heavily used that way for the sustainability topics. And if you look at even the security team has got data for the parking and other topics. Yeah.
Got it, thank you. Now, another question I have is around the platform, the MindSphere IoT platform, right? So when you started on this journey, some of the companies were moving away from IoT platforms. And here's MindSphere. Maybe a lot of folks were skeptical around that time. Can you tell us, what was the impact on the platform, and were there any use cases, particularly in other parts of the world, that this may serve as the blueprint, as you call it?
So this was a brilliant opportunity to actually show the capability of MindSphere, I'll put it this way, because MindSphere was never explored and used the way we have used in Expo 2020. So whatever you saw in my presentations, we were able to do that because the platform had the ingredients. It's all about how do you make use of that. So what we did is we have made use of those APIs, those tools, those services to expose wide variety of data, connect to different systems, different protocols, bring a data at different frequency, and also calculate the KPIs. For example, if you would have noticed, we are able to do aggregation, we are able to do AI, we are able to do a lot more things with MindSphere the way it was never used before. So definitely it has helped MindSphere to be purposed the way it is in different projects. For example, this application what we have developed, it's a horizontal system. You can use it for a city, you can use it for a campus, you can use it for an airport, you can use it for a refinery. It is vertically independent. As long as you integrate the data, you're sorted.
Understood. Now you had 20 million people through, a lot of business people. Is there one use case that you can say, hey, look, because of the Dubai Expo, I'm now the front runner of this new city or this existing one that we want to make it smarter?
So all I can say is we have met a lot of governments and enterprise and even partners for that matter. A lot of partners who used to compete with us now want to collaborate with us. So, and a lot of governmental projects, people want to collaborate with us and see how we can work together. What we also were able to communicate is early engagement is always good. So we would like to collaborate with these government and authorities, for example, in different places, and enterprise customers as well, I would say. And see how we can improve certain topics. Could be a retrofit project, it could be a greenfield project. So we came across a lot of opportunities. I can say the future is very promising.
Thank you for that. And one more last question. How much of this can be templatized? How can you take 20%, 40%, 60%?
And that was an interesting piece of it, right? When we started a journey, we had three things in mind. It should not become one race pony, right? You're doing for Expo and you're done. That was not an objective. We want to make sure that this is reusable, configurable, scalable. So that means we can go to any project in the world. Majority of the things are configurable. All we need to look at how do we reuse those components. We develop a lot of reusable components. We can accelerate a journey of any customer who is actually willing to go for an IoT industrialization projects with the components what we have developed.
Got it. Thank you very much and good luck with the next steps.
Thank you, Lucian.
All right.